Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I have another really awesome crock pot dip for you today. Today we are going to make chicken enchilada dip in our crock pot. It is perfect for game day. It's perfect for Super Bowl parties. It's also just perfect if you want to have a dip on a Saturday. It is a delicious recipe. There's so much fun flavors in it, and you guys are going to love it. So we are starting with about 2 cups of a shredded chicken. I like to just buy that rotisserie chicken at the food store, shred it all up, throw it in, keeps it simple, but feel free to use any chicken that you want. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of a Monterey Jack, pepper jack, some kind of jack cheese right into your crock pot. We're gonna actually be able to mix it all right in the crock so you can save yourself a dish. We have 1 can of diced green chilies that we're adding in. And then we also have 1 can of pinto beans. After that, there's just 2 other simple ingredients. We have 16 ounces of cream cheese that I kind of blocked up here that we're gonna add into the crock pot. The last thing to add is our enchilada sauce. So I love the Frontera sauces. I have the red chili enchilada sauce with roasted tomato and garlic. But if you have your own favorite enchilada sauce, go ahead and use that. This just happens to be mine. I love all of their sauces. I think they're absolutely delicious and just take your recipes to the next level. But just pour that right over top, and then we're ready to let this cook. So you're gonna mix up your sauce just a bit. Don't worry about it too much because obviously it's all gonna melt together and be really fantastic. But just kind of mix it up a little bit to get it going and then cover it. Depending on how fast you need your sauce, you can either set this to high or low. Obviously, if you have it on high, you might wanna kick it down to low a little bit later. You don't want anything kind of sticking to the sides or anything, but high or low, you'll know this dip is ready when it is all melted and mixed together and looks fantastic. There's nothing in this dip that actually has to cook. You know, the chicken's already cooked, but we just want it to melt together and really have that like cheesy dip look to it. And once it's all melted together, it is time to party with this enchilada dip. You are going to love it. It has so much flavor. It's like a 7-layer dip on melty crack. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be a recipe that you come back to again and again. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.